What is up, YouTube? Today we're going to be reviewing VisaList, Bunk, Somiflash, and I was going to say Protopie, but I see it's promoted, so we're not going to be doing that. So we're going to be doing these three. If you guys don't know what I do, I'm a UI UX designer. I've done work for Pinterest and a lot of other tech companies, and I like to just take a look at the actual product, basically give it like a rating on the actual graphic appeal, the website, and just, is this something that I would use? Is this like bullshit? What is this? So let's dive into VisaList first. The slogan says, know where you can travel with your passport tension free. So I think with all the politics shit going on right now, this is somehow meant to keep you able to come back to the United States maybe. Let's check out the website. Overall though, just before we check out the website, this little graphic right here, this animated GIF just showing different, it looks like these, very well designed icons of different iconic places, right? So China, I saw Rio, the Rio statue, the pyramid. So I love when on Product Hunt, on the featured list, when there's gifts, it adds some depth. It shows that the person cared, and it gives you an idea of what the product is before you even read about it. So I like it. So let's check out the website. So find countries to travel, choose your home country. So overall, this is the first thing I saw. There's not a lot going on here. There's nothing crazy. These icons are cute, but there's not a lot going on here. So not 100% impressed right off the bat, but maybe I'm hoping that if I put in let's go, it takes me to somewhere cool. No. So, I mean, this is cool, right? This is easy to understand, and I'm sure there's a very good need for this, so the design doesn't have to be 100% beautiful, but judging off of the design, it feels very incomplete. There's a lot of white space here. They could have done something. I'm just going to pull up Inspect Element real quick here, but they could have done even something like this, where they just get the actual icon that they had some sort of designer do, and they could have scaled that up to like 1.5 or something. You see, even just making it bigger just takes away from this negative white space. So overall, there's definitely a need for this with what's going on in the world today. I'm not a big fan of the site, so I'd give this like a 3 out of 10. Just, that could seem harsh, but it is what it is. So VisaList, I think there's a very good need for it. I don't like the website. I think it's very incomplete, but that's my thought. So let's go to Bunk. So Bunk, 100% wireless, hot swappable smartphone battery. Okay, that's kind of cool. My phone always dies. So overall, very good gifts, right? These products are not ugly by any means. I mean, I wouldn't mind that on the back of my phone if it was charging, especially if I wasn't out and about and I was just on a road trip or something. Let's check out the website. Oh, very good. So I'm just a man whore when it comes to stuff like this visually, because I love it. It's just there's something so sexy about when the products are the right size, when they're everywhere, when it's just so simple to understand. So off the bat, I mean, I love it. I love how simple everything is. So it says, I'm Bunk, the world's first wireless battery pack. I can see the battery packs here. There's no confusion. I can see the ratio, right? So how big this battery pack is compared to my iPhone. It's not too big, right? I still have some space here. I can still use my camera. And then, oh my God, my favorite. For anybody who watches my videos, you know that when I see movies or GIFs inside the landing page or inside the website period, it just takes me to a calm space in my head that says, you know what, people do care, people do know how to design websites, because this is phenomenal. This is showing me exactly what I needed to know. This could have been on the hero and I would have never had to scroll, just with how simple this is right here. This little animation right here of showing you how it works, right? So it looks like you just put your phone in, you slap that thing right on top of your case, it looks like. So not the actual phone, but that's cool. Seamless pass-through charging, so you can charge it. And this shot right here, look at this shot, guys. They extracted the background. They're using these very bright, vibrant colors, which I think are the colors for their cases, or their battery pack, sorry. But just very clean, very organized. There's no confusion. The site doesn't feel empty. You have a lot of work that's put into the photos or the animated GIFs or even the video, just showcasing how it even works. So this is a website I'm going to give a 9.5 to. The only thing that's not keeping it from a 10 is maybe there's a little bit of uncertainty on the hero as far as just the clutter. right? Like, I don't know if there was a way to maybe left align everything. And another thing that's throwing me off is maybe I'm just so used to seeing the logo in the top left-hand corner and everything left aligned, and then something, you know, very unique to the right. Maybe that's what's throwing me off, but overall, just phenomenal. 9.5 out of 10. I was gonna say 9.5, same thing, but just very good. So VisaList, amazing, or not VisaList, sorry. VisaList was the one that was empty. That's the one I think I gave it 3. But Bunk is really good. I would use this product, and it's beautifully done and designed. So shout out to Bunk. So now let's check out our last one, which is Somiflash. So world's smartest 1 terabyte, I believe TB is terabyte flash drive. So let's check it out. Very clean, right? So this is some sort of hard drive. I don't know what it's for though. I'm not into like the hard drive world that much, but let's check out the website. So it's just going to, it's literally just going to an Indigo page, which is, they're just trying to raise capital right now. This does not count as a website, unfortunately. I mean, they're doing something right if they've raised, you know, over 150K. I'm not gonna diss the product. I don't even know what the product does. So world's first one. So it's some sort of data storage thing. I would have loved, like, you can see the animations here. I would have loved to seen this like on a website, something very unique. One that I helped these guys out over the summer, but it kind of reminds me of Proxy. I don't know if they have .com. Maybe it's .co. Yeah, but Proxy, do you see how like these guys are kind of using, well, they haven't come out with the website just yet, but let's see how it works. There was a different, you know, in our pilot, whatever. Let's maybe about. The website that I'm trying to show you guys hasn't been announced yet, right? So that's why there you have all these icons. But it would have been really cool to see something a little bit more just on a website with this stuff especially. You could have done something cool with those waves or whatever, but I can't grade this site. This isn't even their site, so sorry guys. So my flash, whatever, however you say it, I can't grade it, right? Is this something that I would use? Probably not. My data is in my laptop, and I feel like if anything ever went wrong with my laptop, I would take it into Apple and they would fix it immediately. So I don't know. Bunk though, Bunk was the highlight of the day. Beautiful. Landing pages is a 9.5. The actual product is beautiful, and these guys know what they're doing. And then VisaList, like I said, with all the stuff going on in the world today, I'm sure there's a need for this. I'm just judging this off of, you know, how my interaction was when I first touched that site. Wasn't that great. Didn't excite me to travel, but I'm sure if I was already excited to travel, it would have helped me in some way, shape, or form. So that's what I have for today. Would love to hear your guys' thoughts on those 3. And if you guys have any products that you would like to have me review, let me know. But until next time, YouTube, I'm out.